Welcome back, hi. Player Dart here. And, the laboratory by Onyx. That's the next one we're going after. It is map number 89. Playtesters and bug finders, Kiwi, Arisu, Brandangelo, Tatsujin, as they're known more recently, and JJ Rocks. So how lovely, we have a scoreboard right at the front. This is something we didn't get in Wired. Although that looks familiar. That looks like coral and electric cyan. Maybe it's the same? So, hi. Welcome back to the laboratory. That's 4. Suppose we ought to check and make sure that there isn't anything back here. I don't see nothing. Still worth checking. All right, into the next room. Da-da! Oops. Nothing over here. Although I do remember, yeah, in Lingo 1, there was supposed to be something like this. So is this meant to be an expansion of that area of Lingo 1? Stars. Start. Ta-da! The laboratory. Okay. Hiring office. Invention exhibition. This is fun. Caution. Dangerous. Oh, okay. 197. So this is one gigantic countdown that I think is for the whole map. So this orange thing over here is pyrotechnics. Fun! Same as the rest. Oh, okay. Open, open, open. Creature's name. Thank you! Then this over here is the freezer. Interesting. Oh, goodness. So, section of the periodic table. And oh, is that a man in the moon? If it's not, I don't know what that is. Sit ease. The eye. Oh, is that just the eye? Yep. Sit ease. Letter. The eye. It lies? No. The eye is tease. The eye is. Yeah, I don't know what this glass thing with a glass panel is. Can't go around it. I suppose I ought to just open up one of these things. So what was this? Invention exhibition. Let's do that. That's clearly open. Great. Oh, we got 2 layers. Okay. People who like graphs. Yes, the gravity guy, Wrath, and E, the gravity guy, Newton, Wrath. I seem to think that there was a Newton Rathson? Ooh, oh dear. Yeah, I don't remember his name. But there's a thing in calculus. The Newton-Raphson method is a way of approximating a solution to a graph. But I don't remember how you spell his name. Rathson? Rathson? Hansel. And the E. Thanks, Euler? Oh, good. People who like graphs. Oh, yeah. Euler's constant is E. I thought he was Rafson. It is Rafson. What is this? There's no TH in that. What's the problem with you? Okay. Angle, like this shape. Is it meant to be triangle? Likes this. Pythagoras? Okay. Although it's flat on top, so it's not a triangle. Lid, shape father, Euclid. Oh, look, I found the math section. These purples built me. Related to that green, related to that green. Oh, okay. Orville Wright. And Wilbur Wright. Oh, what am I doing? There's no double L in that. And aeroplane. Oh, the purples built me, the aeroplane. Ta-da! Okay. Atomic engineers. I'm fine and Bohr. So Niels Bohr. And I'm fine. Einstein? Okay. Atomic engineers. So do we have something in the back that tells us... Oh, this is interesting. The glass is colored so you can see it a little better. Oh, Walt Disney, this looks like. What? This looks like. This looks like Mickey Mouse? Okay. Nuclear engineers, how about? No. Atomic engineers. Quantum engineers. No. Oh. Synonym of mechanics. That's more better. Okay. Upmer Heisenberg. Pen. Upmer. Oppenheimer? Weird. Okay. Large mom. So again, opposite of large, and then letter change on mom. Letter A. Atomic bomb, how about? Okay. High is our physicist Heisenberg. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Then there's going to be more stuff upstairs. Actually, we've done this. The gadget. The gizmo. Yep. Get that off the screen. Then EW Florage. Except this, I think, is coral or burnt orange or something like that. That feels like it's the same as this thing, which was... Yeah. So I think this is a new color. Pyrotechnics, but we don't know what it's called. I probably should have gone and looked to see what the little blurb on it was. In fact, I might just do that and just run over and look. Lots of science is done in this map. 205 puzzles, 2 new colors, coral, again, and teal, and it's all about science-ish. Warning, British English spellings and phonemes. That is good to know, because most of the stuff that happens in here is based on American. So, why I can't get upstairs? Maybe this isn't stairs. Maybe it's just meant it was supposed to be a triangle and because we can sort of see through. We ought to be able to do this. Maybe we don't need to be there. Let's assume that we don't need to be there. Okay. So this over the... that's too big. Do this first. So biscuit brand, which is just cookies. LIB. L. Well, yeah, nothing comes to mind. That's probably a British brand name. And then calls. C. A kidney stone is an example of a... Okay. Not that guy again. And Newton again. What does that have to do with any of that? Kidney stone. It's a calcification. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Spider silk A. Wow. W. Web? Yeah. Chubled. H. Hubble. So... Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So the one of these that we've done was what's known in the National Puzzlers League as a terminal deletion. Take off the first letter and the last letter. So it's something that's strictly inside. Same thing is happening here. The first letter and the last letter went. That's middle for that. Okay. So Webb, named after them telescope. Oh, space telescope? Psst. Okay. Kipper. Kepler? Yeah, okay. Then, ooh, stuff on the side. Higgs boson? Is it just Higgs? Yeah. Oh, cool. Ooh, what does that say? Addendum. Oh God, you can't read that. What are you doing? Unless there's another way up. No. How about no? How about all the no? Oh my God. Cheap car. Company, Clifford the Big Red Dog. Einstein Bohr. And then whatever. Ooh, what is this? Cognut cheap car. Cognut. C. And cheap car. C. It's just car, but why? Why? Oh, is that a pipe behind it? So we're piping into that red? Is that what happened there? So it's cheap car, but we took off cheap. All right. I mean, that didn't look like it was going to work. That clearly doesn't have any, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that one. Clifford the Big Red Dog. F. Oh, Ford. Derp. The guy who, yeah. And then cheap car. I can't tell how many letters that is. Well, there's a kind of a way to find out. I won't know how the word break is. But that's 20 total letters. Awesome. Cheap car. Automobile would be a 10 if this was a 10-10 split. I mean, letter. A. Yeah, don't know what to do with that. Okay. Then there's all kinds of weird stuff happening here. So that looks like a teal for star into coral, all on the bottom, into a middle red. That's a lot, especially when I don't know what the teal does. Meow. Why are these at weird angles when you can't do them? Are you the universal? Are you the universal? Yeah, I'm going to skip that because I don't know what to do with it. Superposition. That's like quantum entanglement. Yeah. Then an example of quantum entanglement that goes meow with a question mark is Schrodinger's cat. Uh-oh. Oh no! Schrodinger's cat. Then, oh, what does that say? What does that say? Row. Is it a Schrodinger? Yeah, okay. Star-informed paradise. What the? 5, 4, lots 7. Oh, sure. I'll take a letter. B. I don't know. And then this craziness. Okay, so if we do a bigram terminal deletion, that leaves behind wheel. And axe, same again. Antikythera mechanism. I know it's something from antiquity, but I forget what it is. And Göbekli Tepe, I have no idea what that is. So I think we're done in this room for the time being. So if we go back into the big room, we've solved 44 things. It's a good start. Where to now? Let's go into the purple one. And I disagree that that is a purple, because you did things at the beginning and the end. You took the D off, so unless there's a thing behind it, yeah, no, this is not a purple. It doesn't work. Okay. Peridot cable is periodic table. Off of all the mints elements. Stand yodel. Normal poser. Standard model of part ice X. Part ice X. Particle physics. Yay! Ooh, what are you? Okay. King Philip came over for good spaghetti. So I know what this is. It's not the mnemonic that I use typically. The one that I was taught was Kentucky Fried Chicken, oh father, good stuff. But these are the levels of hierarchy and binomial nomenclature. So it's kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Oopsie. And this is on taxonomy? Yeah, okay. Fine. What's over here? Okay, so that's our... Oh, what is this? We don't know. New calutron. Well, neutron is in there. Whoops. Neutron. There you go. Elect, electron. Pronto, proton. These 3 subatomic particles. Supergiant masses. Okay. And then, woo! And then whatever is going on here. Okay. So, modules. D. Yeah. Greed. No. Fletcher. Lecture? Yay! Modules. It kind of looks like this is just look through it and whatever color you see, that's the thing it is. So at one bedroom. Letter. F. Flat. Right, because this is a British author. Color talk. Color talk. And yeah, there's a I'm going to skip that one. Bridge came. Cambridge. Three stomachs canal. Oxbridge. Extend answer to first half. Oxford. Ends. Oh, this thing has finished. Oh gosh. Categorizing particles? Oh gosh, thank you. I didn't think that was going to be right. Modules, and then cane net. Letter C. No. Canteen? Ooh, fun. Why? Why is that here? T. The. No. Top. T. Ends. Finishes. Ends. Ooh. And then color talk, green something. And then modules. Yeah, if you take modules and mix them up, I don't know what you get, or rearrange them. All right. Let's check our numbers. 71. How long have we been playing? About 25 minutes. So, yeah, we're going to kill it. So, we know more about what... Ooh, there's all sorts of wacky things going on. We know more about what's going on in here. So let's give this a bash, shall we? Coffin dent. Find. So it's a triple terminal deletion. Most of many is of. Defended. Find. Fend. Okay. View. Okay. Don't know. Ice I'm going to skip because it's weird. It's a black one with a coral panel on it. Water. Steam. Ah, I don't know. Okay. Workmanship, man. Syllables. Everything. Nothing? Yeah, I don't know what the bottom is doing. But okay. Even-handedly, hand. Debut terms, butter. Eel eggs, leg. Then swords hurt, word. Candidness. So if we're counting syllables, it's did. Potassium chloride, oh gosh. Petroleum, wood, coal. Is this just fire over and over again? Petroleum, fire. So this is if you add energy to it. For those two anyway, and for the things on this. So potassium chloride. Oh no. If you heat potassium chloride, what do you get? If you heat copper sulfate, what do you get? If you heat lithium chloride, what do you get? Oh no. Implosion, explosion. One free man. 3. Who wears that? Yeah. There you go, wears. Did wears 3. Dunno. Ew. I protest. That shouldn't be like that. Copper sulfate, heat it, and you get green fire? Is that what we're doing? Aha! Purple fire? So if you put these chemicals like under a Bunsen burner, what happens? Cool. And one more. Where is the one more? Why do I always leave one on the oh, pardon me, fire. There we go. Sheath dynamotors, the dynamo. Yay! Okay. I think this room is just done. We have 108 left to go. Oh, IT support. We didn't look at that yet. Same as the rest. Open. Fine. Ash. Brain. Brainwash. MAD, mutually assured destruction. Mutual assured destruction? Okay. Nucleus land. Nuclear wasteland? Cool. AI becomes odd. God? That's depressing. Virtual reality becomes you real. Reality. You. Ladder. Simulated reality? Okay. What will remain? A. Artificial intelligence? Oh. Okay. Natural noun. Thanks. So, is it just artificial intelligence again? The same spelling mistake. Soft, square, stall. hard disk drive. Okay. Solid state drive. Oh gosh, disk. Well, at least we know how to spell disk for this. Optical disk drive. Woohoo! Pardon me. Cool. You're Y, human, cyborg. We've had that puzzle before. Human, REP, letter. Thanks. Replicant. ROT, robot, which not really, doesn't have any human in it. And android. Is that the room? It is. This! The AI. Okay. Ta-da! Got that one. 92 left. So I have a couple of things left in there. I did the coral, I think. I did the gray. Wait, is there something back here? There's a lot of just random space here for there being nothing here. That's a little suspicious. I don't know what this is. The eye is... Yeah, I don't know what that is. And then this. 1 hydrogen. 19 is K, that is potassium. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is hydrogen and oxygen, and hydrogen is water. 29 plus 30 is copper and zinc. Is that brass? 84 minus 2. Oh no. Is this radioactive decay? Does it decay down to lead? Oh, and more near... also lead, because everything eventually just ends up on lead. The 26 plus 8, Y. 26 is iron. 8 is oxygen, the rusty. There you go. This looks like it's something, but we got to solve one more thing. Where is... Oh, back here. Hi. The freezer. Open. So now it's sort of the reverse of coral, where we're adding things to the outside of it. Iron curtain. Magma. Iron. Rock? No. Iron. Ooh. Because this, magma just becomes rock. Yeah. So this is cooling something. Steam becomes water. Water becomes ice. Pour. Or pour. Vital. Pour. Important. Or. Fork. Rise. Arises. Arisen. Okay. Welding gas. Oh no. Is shoot. It's... Is it oxyhydrogen? Yes. V, us. We. Still disagree. Evaporate. Vaporize. Spell the British way. Oh no. We. Us. Except no, that should be me. Light. H. Dunno. Hollow. D. Nope. Loud. Rain. Cloud. No. Snow. If you cool off rain. Few. Many. Small. Large. Hollow and light. Heavy. Hollow. Dense. Which, no. Those aren't opposites. And then one thing that we haven't solved, which is this magma one. Iron. If you cool magma, you can get iron ores. You get iron. What do you get? Rats. Because that's going to block me from finishing this. You get iron. If only curtain was more useful. Yeah. I don't know that I have a lot left to do now. Because one left in here. 67 things remaining. One here somehow. What is that up there? That's got to be something, but I have no idea how you would get up there. I think we finished this. Oh, we did not. Right, we had 3 things in here. Greed. Oh, degree. Degree. Ends. Okay. Sure. Color talk. Green. Yeah, that's annoying because it's 1 away and now we're stuck. This one I'm a long way from finishing, but now I know some of the things. So, star. Informed paradise. Oops, is letters, and that's bottom. Black hole, star. If you take away energy away from a star, you get a black hole. Informed paradise. Black hole. Information something. It fits. Information, black hole information paradox, which I've never heard of. I don't know what that is. Black hole information paradox. If you take the energy out of a star, you'd get what this is. If you put the energy back, woof. What is that? I don't know what that is. I had to look that up. See what it was. But there's 11th. Okay. So, new floor? Oh, you know what? Yeah, thanks. Addendum. I know I've featured a lot of mathematicians, and there's debate if maths is invented or discovered, which will last until the end of mankind. However, for the sake of this singular lingo map, maths is invented. Thank you. this. So now we can at least count. I made that. Above, I beg to differ. Company. Tesla. I think that was meant to be a logo of something. Unfortunately, it does not appear to be a logo of that something. I made that. E. Boy, don't I wish I knew. Can't really tell what that is. Nope. Above. Seven, 8. Is an orrery. Wheel. No. Letter. Axe. Göblicki tippy. Okay, I'm going to look that up. So it's an example of a year. Libanais? No, it doesn't fit. Yeah, I don't know this. Mind blown. Okay. Can't have a game without a secret. Gotta have a secret. It's not a painting you can jump into. It just is a thing. This. Iron core? Yay! Okay. HZ. The Sub-Zero? Got it. No, that didn't do it. Oh, but this, telescope. Observatory. Aha! Ah, that's what's up here. Something over there. Oh no. Darn it. Star. Add energy, supernova? Yep. Star. Add energy, take away energy, nebula. Star. Red dwarf. Red giant. Black hole. Supermassive black hole. And then this, oh gosh. Eh. That's got to be what the other thing was. Yeah. No, this observes the loudest explosion, the Big Bang. SUSY, really symmetrical. Supersymmetry. The bending, not that guy's theory again, the bending of space-time. Gravity. Cool. So we just have this one thing, which is also a thing downstairs. 7, 8. Hawking radiation. Ooh, I wasn't getting that alone. Okay. This observes everything. The everything? No, the universe. The universal. Cool. That's that one. Those paintings were hung at different heights. We have 44 left. So one of these was Hawking radiation. Yeah. Okay, are you the universal? Ha ha ha, gotcha. Okay. Unknowns. Unknowns? Okay, simple as that. Göbekli Tepe is a megalith. There we go. Okay. Down to 5. These two, and the cheap car over here. Nope. And calls, I don't know what to do. Oh, calculus. Leibniz. Okay, there we go. Got it. Okay. That leaves 3. That leaves our cheap car and these 2 things. Oh, light bulb. Edison. So just this. Is it just affordable? Okay. Oop. I made that. Onyx. The author. Invent organ. The inventor? Yes. Yay! 172. So there's 33 left. No? What? What is this? What is this one? What is the one that is still needing to be solved? Oh, this thing. Oh, God. Ah! What is that? What is green tick? I don't know. Undergraduated. Addendum. You've earned a degree in British English. The undergraduate? Okay. open, unlock. Onyx. Don't know. Chris. Crystal. Cards. Tarot. Pseudoscience. Onyx is don't know. 29 plus 50. Oh no. Oh no. No. Okay. That would be like a positron? No, it would be -1 would be an electron, so a beta particle. Letter? Is it just electron? Yeah, okay. Hydrogen minus an electron is a proton. 99 Einsteinium. Good idea. 29 plus 50. I do not happen to remember. Let's look at the periodic table. So 29. 29 is copper, and 50 is tin. Copper plus tin is bronze. Yay! Okay. Deutsch. Le laboratoire. Le laboratoire. Le laboratoire. Is it masculine? I find that hard to believe with an E on the end. I'll be dipped. It's masculine. Okay. This El Laboratorio? Good guess. I don't know German. I don't know what it is in German. And it doesn't help because it's der, die, das. And those are all 3 letters starting with D. But Wiktionary will come to the rescue. So if I go to Wiktionary, and then I just look up laboratory. This is new. Why are we doing this? German is das Labor. All right, fine. Creature's name, the AI's name. Oh gosh. D H. I have no clue what this is referring to. Missing from the taxonomy. It was a domain, which they now do. The 7-layer thing that was downstairs is kind of old-fashioned. Exhibition ceiling, inside pyrotechnics and Caesar. Where you graduated? Oh no! Hypermassive black hole. Fine. Inside observatory. Telescope. Exhibitions ceiling. Light bulb. Inside pyrotechnics and freezer. Burp. Where you graduated? I want that to be something school. Inside pyrotechnics and freezer were these, but I don't know. Water. Water was in both of those. There we go. Where you graduated? This was the graduating thing. Earned a degree in British English. Takes me out there. What are you? Oh, the observation deck. We knob servers observe. Hypothesize. We observe the oh, and back to the beginning. So 13 left in the level. Creature's name. D. Dave. No, we're not talking about 2001: A Space Odyssey. Creature's name. What creature are we talking about? Let's go back down and look at the AI thing. HAL-10,000. Fine. Maybe the other things are on those central boxes as well. This is annoying that I can't find these. Oh, hello. Hiring office. That's where we graduated. Two things, huh? Right, whatever onyx is. Geosophy? Nope. Gemstone? Is that what that is? Cool. Okay. So not something specifically pseudoscientific. Creature's name. Ah. Wow, I really just want to kill that puzzle. Because it's one left and this. The creature? We observe the creature. What is the creature's name? Observe the creature. Oh my god! Okay. I hate you. Fine. Then this is unlocked. Monitor. Sir, the observer. The observer. The observed. No! The overseer. The overseer. That's got to be adding the. That's usually the way that goes. The. Yay! The surveyor. What did that do? What did it do? No, there's still three things. I don't know what the three things are. Unless they're more hidden things. Oh, oh, oh. Aha! Oh, oh, oh. Job which likes graphs. E. Ah, okay. Economist. The more that we can go behind in this room. It would be lovely if all of the things were in this room. It appears not to be the case because those are all up against the wall. But that verifies one thing. The last thing to get is just plain old hidden someplace. Uh, uh, uh. Huzzah. Okay. Let me out. What you have solved. Hey, we got it. Yay! Ooh. So I did that in just a little over an hour. Actually, my clock has been running. Hold on. Dee dee dee. Oh, I'm wrong. That took me 2 hours. So hopefully we will whittle this down into 1 or 2 episodes. Of course, I'm saying this now, and I've already done it if you're hearing it. So, meh. I'm very tired. This was another late night thing. At any rate, thank you for watching to the end of the video. I appreciate it when people spend time on my stuff and doing that. Please click the like and subscribe buttons to let other people see my work. Please leave a comment to let me know what you think of what I am doing. I didn't think this would happen this fast, so I haven't really applied myself to the problem of what we're going to be doing next. But something will come up soon. Maybe code 2? But that's going to be very long and very diffy, and I don't know if I want to go directly to there yet. It's all going to happen eventually, but I don't know if it's going to happen yet. But we will cycle through the other games that I do, and we will get back to this at some point very soon. And I realized that I completely did not see some of the hints that one person gave for the hidden stuff in Swingo, so I will have to look at that and see if I can finish that off as well. But yeah, lots of fun ahead. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and goodbye.